Hello，大家好！知道好多考生咧就嚟會考 speaking，今日出個 video 係嚟幫大家去解決一啲你常見嘅考 DSE 嘅 speaking 嘅時候會出現嘅問題先。
Before we start talking about today's topic, please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the bell icon below this video. Thank you.
好，講個最常見，亦都就唔知點解大家都搣唔甩嘅習慣咧，就用一啲咧好陳腔濫調嘅 phrases 嘅。咁其實 marker 咧喺年年嗰份 report 上面都講緊同一樣嘅嘢嘅，但唔知點解大家都係意見接受，態度照舊。哇！呢個 I agree with you 咧，真係咧係已經係大家變成一個爛 get 嘅一個嘅問題啦。但大家仲繼續用，我估緊可能因為大家咧唔係好知點樣可以用其他嘅方式嚟到去接住對上一個講完嘢嘅同學仔嘅對話嘅。咁所以我而家會俾一啲嘅 suggestion 咧，因為其實我都覺得有樣嘢我都真係要趁呢個機會講啊。香港人咧，好多時咧。唔係好識去做 communications 嘅，即係去做一啲嘅interactions 嘅時候咧，佢哋有好多都唔係咁暢順嘅。咁我而家俾一啲嘅 alternative 大家去先去諗一諗點樣可以用到先啦。但記住唔係背咗佢喎，俾啲 examples 大家嘅啫。好啦，咁假設你係想同意對方嘅説話嘅時候咧，你就可以用下呢一句咧嚟到去做開頭嘅。咁但係記住喎，你開頭完之後咧點樣接咧，你自己要 make sure 翻咧，你嗰個sentence structure 唔好錯先。That is a valid point indeed. It proves that. 好啦，咁如果你想接住對方嘅 presentation，但你又唔同意對方嘅説話嘅時候咧，你就可以用下面嗰句，但都係唔好死背咗佢，同埋要記得咧要點樣去 make sure 咧，你接落去嘅時候，你個 sentence structure 唔好錯。即係我都係嗰句，呢啲只係例句嚟，千祈唔好死背。
That is an interesting perspective. While that might be the case, there are other possible ways to view or approach the issue.
好啦，另外一個咧，大家要記住嘅咧，就係大家去做discussion 嘅時候咧，要記住自己嗰個 purpose，就係我要 communicate 我個 idea。咁而呢一個係一個 discussion 嚟嘅，咁亦都係要 make sure 我啲組員係會覺得我個 presentation 係有趣嘅，咁佢哋會繼續去聽落去。咁所以你 maintain 到，首先你要 obtain 啦，跟住然之後 maintain 到對方嘅 attention 咧係好重要嘅。咁另外呢句要記住咗個 purpose 之外咧，你亦都要去 structure 翻你自己嗰個presentation accordingly 嘅。咁你就要去 make sure 你嗰個 points 所有嘅 points 咧有 elaborate 咗 keywords。亦都有去用 supporting 嘅 points 同埋 evidence 嚟到去講嘅。咁所以咧，記住唔好用 acronym，我好反對人用 acronym，尤其是高年班唔好再用 acronyms。你要記住你自己個 purpose，我要去表達自己意見，我要令到對方明白我嘅意見，同埋可以理解得到點解我會有呢一個意見。呢一個先至係你要記住嘅幾個嘅 question。如果你要去 structure 你嘅 content 嘅時候。好啦，第三個點咧好緊要，好緊要嘅，因為好多時香港學生咧會出現咧好自我中心啦，即係譬如話咧會我要講最多嘅，又或者我要大家都有份take part，唔好要我一個講晒，即係好多時兩極化㗎。我見我啲學生有時做 group discussion 都會係咁，如果人哋唔出聲，我點解要做多啲嘢會有咁嘅情形？咁我哋要永遠記住 group discussion 就係 exactly that，係 group 加 discussion。好，用個最小朋友嘅方式嚟代表大細，You shine, I shine, we shine。好啦，即係你發光，我發光，大家都發光，一定要 make sure 到呢一樣嘢。咁但係問題係點做到咧？好啦，首先第一樣嘢咧，我哋要記住，我哋有英文有成日有講嘅一樣嘢咧，就叫 keep the ball rolling。我哋點樣去 keep the ball rolling 咧？就係我哋可以有好多嘅方法嘅。其中一個方法咧，就係我哋喺做完自己嘅 presentation 之後咧，唔係 end with a statement，而係 end with a question。而嗰個 question 亦都唔可以太難，亦都唔可以太淺，要適度嘅。咁令到你啲隊員咧，大家咧都會覺得啊，係喎，咁我哋不如去諗下呢一個問題，即係唔好係一個即係要去同人哋嘈啊，諸如此類成形式嘅一啲嘅問題，而係大家令到大家可以 inspire 到大家去諗嘢嘅一個嘅問題。 好啦，另外一個咧，我就成日都聽到學生 complain 噶啦，就話有一個人霸住嚟講，咁啊搞到成組都炒車。咁其實咧呢個咧都係一個 challenge 去俾到你去將成個 team 去 rescue 翻嘅。嗱，我等間會俾一個句子你睇完嗰個句子，你試下嗱，我都係嗰句，唔好背咗佢。咁但係咧有方法咧去令到可以有禮貌地去打斷對方嘅說話，係要有禮貌地去做。你哋咧就要先等對方講到一個句子嘅結尾嘅時候，你先至講呢一句出嚟吓，要等佢去到個句子結尾，就唔係一個全個 presentation 結尾，如果佢唔停口嘅話吓。
Excuse me if I may interrupt you for a second, please. That is a very interesting point.
好啦，希望呢一個廣東話教學嘅 video 可以幫到一啲香港人嘅學生喺今次 speaking 度高翻分少少咧，大家加油啊，同學仔！
Before you leave, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon below. Thank you.